One of the many reasons I love doing simple solutions is it allows me to show you ways to expand the versatility of everyday tools. Today we're talking about a vacuum. Here I have a wet-dry vacuum, but this tip will work with a household vacuum as well. Most vacuums come with an accessory that looks like this. It's called a crevice tool. It's long and narrow and has an angled slot on the end. What you do is it fits onto the wand or the hose and allows you to vacuum out small spaces. But even this opening is too large to vacuum out really tight spaces. So we're going to fix that by using a flexible rubber hose that you can get at any home center. This one happens to be about 3/8 inch in diameter. You can just wedge it into the opening of the crevice tool, then secure it with a piece of tape. This holds the hose in place but also closes off that opening so all the suction power goes to the end. I'm going to use it to clean out this dusty keyboard. You can see the hose fits right in between the keys, and you can compress it for even the tighter spaces. Now to expand the versatility even more, for extremely tight spaces, you can take a drinking straw, slip it into the end of the hose, and use that to clean out deep holes and tight crevices.